Asante sana. And please, humongous document, ladies and gentlemen, makofi hapo.
It is a subset of the plan. Basically, this is what the most important thing, whereby the strategic plan has achieved financial sustainability. The first three
strategic plan for the corporation, which will help us continue to strive towards achievement not only the Vision 2030, but the government Big Four agenda. To actualize the plan, a total of about 159 billion is required over the 5-year period. This translates to an average annual requirement of about 1.6 billion in resource requirement.
The corporation intends to install and meter 200 solar PVs and 20 wind systems for institutions in various parts of the country.
We are very lucky as a country. When you really look at the energy mixture in this country, besides the thermal, we have the hydros, we have the solar, and we have the wind. All this mixture, if nicely done, nicely developed, they can actually add value to our country. Without energy, there is no development.
These Kenyans continue to hope that energy prices will come down. Now, Kakamega County government has developed sexual and gender-based violence policy to address